So the final thing here is a holiday thing. This is something I got at Walmart for $2. Uh, these are just your regular snappers. Uh, in total, there are 75 of these from TNT Fireworks. Um, Exploding reindeer poop. They do these for Easter and Halloween. This year they mentioned something called exploding coal. I couldn't find that, but I found these at the Walmart, which are evidently an older version of that product from TNT for Christmas. So it's pretty normal. So I'm going to put this camera down and pull these out. So there's one that fell off. Um, Here's what they look like. And there's a whole bunch of them. So yeah, that's what they are. Even more of these. Let's see. There you go. Perfect. Final one is right here. This is kind of the individual one. So it's a normal pop hit. It's very normal, but they're fun. I'm having fun, but it's normal. Sorry, my camera is filled down with sawdust, but again, these are brown. I think the Easter ones are different colors, like Easter eggs, and the Halloween ones are glow in the dark. I think. I haven't actually looked at them. But yeah, so you get 2 packs in here. But yeah, there you go. Exploding reindeer poop. I really like this art they put on here. It's $2 in my local area. So yeah, Merry Christmas. This is just very fun. Um, Alright. That's the shrapnel. So yeah, enjoy. I hope you have a nice rest of the day. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Whatever you celebrate. So yeah, this should be a fun little video. I'll put this before some other fireworks I lit off before the actual holiday happened. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun on Christmas before fireworks on New Year's, which I have a little plan. I'll show it. I'll put a video up just as a little pyro journey videos. So yeah, I hope you have a nice rest of the day again. And yeah, bye-bye.